right, I'm Sean Calvert. I'm a native here. I actually live maybe 10-15 minutes down the road. One of the local crews here out of Spindale. It's a war zone. Half of the town of Chimney Rock, there's 5 or 6 businesses up here that used to be there that are completely gone. The rest of the houses here are half washed away. What's left standing here on the riverside is undermined. It's not really even safe to go in. The river here, the river channel, is 3 times wider than it used to be. We've been up here trying to, task for today was trying to restore power up to the fire department here in the town of Chimney Rock. Had several broke poles, a lot of wire down. We've got 2 of them changed out. Still trying to get one more up here in town, but we're running into a lot of rock. As you can see, around through the river here, there's just boulders and rocks everywhere, which that's a big obstacle that we've always run into here in the mountain region. The vacuum truck, we got down maybe 2 or 3 feet, but then the rock hit. So tomorrow, I guess task will be try to bring in a jackhammer, air compressor, see if we can't get those holes down, hopefully be able to get the power onto the fire department. The night before the storm, it was just raining. We were working outages several miles up the road, and we came through here Thursday night and everything still looked normal, and never would have thought the next morning it would all be gone. But